Okay, now we are going to have the rapid fire. I'll require the cooperation of the audience. 30 seconds, 6 questions, plus 5 for correct answer, plus 10 bonus if all answers are correct. Just before that, who's leading at this point?
Team B.
Team B is with 305, followed by Team C. Oh, 300 Team C, great. Third position?
Team E.
Team E is at 265, so you can get 5, 6s are 30 plus 10, 40 maximum. Hard luck. Next. $227.5 is Team A, then 210 is Team D, and 155 is Team F. So all the teams have scored well, they have answered well. Now we get down to the business end, that is the final round rapid fire. We'll be starting with Team A. Team A, your questions will start when I say, okay. Your questions start now. Just a second. Plus 5 for correct answer and plus 10 for the bonus. I'll tell you the scores. Okay, your time starts now, Team A. What is the foreword to the constitution known as?
Preamble.
What is trypanophobia the fear of? What is trypanophobia the fear of?
Fear of 13.
Is wrong. What capital city is considered to be the most polluted in the world?
Paris.
Is wrong. Who was the mother of Dhritarashtra and Hastinapur?
Amba.
Is wrong. Who went to England and shot dead General Dyer at Canton Hall?
Udham Singh.
Correct. What does Bhagavad Gita literally mean? What does Bhagavad Gita literally mean?
Song of God.
Is correct.
And could we go to the...
Time's up. What is the foreword to the constitution? They said preamble is correct. Trypanophobia is the fear of? Needles or injections. They did not get that correct. Which capital city is considered to be most polluted in the world? Beijing. So audience, you are not on the stage, please cooperate. I had heard the answer. You said Paris, it's wrong. Mother of Dhritarashtra? Ambika. Who went to England? Udham Singh, they got it correct. Bhagavad Gita means song of the Lord or God is correct. They got 3 correct, so they get 15. Okay. Team B. Your time starts now. What technical term is used for the removal of president or Supreme Court judge?
Impeachment.
Correct. What is necrophobia the fear of?
Dead people.
Correct. Which capital city is considered to be the coldest in the world?
Reykjavik.
Is wrong. What was Bhishma known as during his younger days?
Pass.
Who organized the revolutions in Canada, America to form the Gadar party?
Veer Savarkar.
Is wrong. What are Santa's helpers called? You can take it.
Elves.
Is correct. Okay. You got impeachment correct. Necrophobia is the fear of dead or dead things is correct. Coldest city, capital city? It's Ulaanbaatar with 2.4 degree average temperatures. Bhishma was known as Devbrat, Gangaputra nahi. Who organized the revolutions of Canada and America to form the Gadar party? Lala Hardayal is correct, but they did not get it. Santa's helpers are called elves. So they got elves, fear of dead things and impeachment. 3 right, 15. Okay, so team B is now on what score? 320 and they are on?
No, they are on 300.
They are on 300 and they are on? Oh, so they need to get minimum 4 right to tie and 5 right to clinch it. Okay. Team C. Okay, your time starts now. What is a law known when it is produced in the parliament?
Bill.
Correct. What is the phobia which is related to fear of work?
Pass.
Which capital city is considered nearest to the line of equator?
Pass.
Which Kaurava prince joined Pandavas just days before the Mahabharata war?
Yutsu.
Correct. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the House of Common on a ticket of...
Naroji.
I will not ask you the final question. What is a law known as when it is produced in the parliament is a bill? You got it correct. What is the phobia which is related to fear of work? You did not get it. Fear of work. Ergophobia. Which capital city is considered nearest to the equator? It's Quito. Which Kaurava prince joined the Pandavas? Yuyutsu is correct. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the House of Commons? Dadabhai Naoroji is correct. The last question which you could not get is in which country was Christmas banned from 60 to 97? No. It's, yes? Not Iran. It's Cuba. Okay. So they get 1, 2, 3. 3, right? 15. 315. Well played. Okay. Team D. Your rapid fire coming up right now. Where can the sitting of Supreme Court take place?
Next.
Which phobia is considered to be the fear of stealing?
Pass.
Which capital city lies both on the blue as well as white Nile rivers?
Egypt.
Capital city.
Cairo.
Wrong. In which language did Jesus Christ preach?
Hebrew. In
Wrong.
Aramaic. The old form.
I cannot take the second answer. What did Subhash Chandra Bose rename as Andaman Nicobar Islands as? You can take it. I have started before this thing. What? Yes.
Pass. I don't know.
No. Okay. Sitting of the Supreme Court can take place anywhere in the country. It can take place in this hall also. Which phobia is considered to be the fear of stealing? Mania is the urge to steal. Phobia is the fear. Kleptophobia. Which capital city lies both on blue as well as white Nile?
Khartoum.
Khartoum it is. Khartoum. It's not Cairo. In which language did Jesus Christ preach? You said Hebrew, which was wrong. It's Aramaic. Subhash Chandra Bose renamed Andaman and Nicobar Islands as Swaraj and Swadesh Islands. Shaheed and Swaraj Islands, not Swadesh. And the one which I could not ask them, Romans called it Harpastrum, Greeks Episcards. What is it commonly known as now? Football. Okay. They got none. 0. Okay. Team E, your direct coming up right now. Your rapid fire exactly. What is the term for a minimum number of members that must be present for proceedings in house?
Pass.
Ailurophobia or felinophobia is fear of what?
Pass.
What is the only capital city in Arabia having the same name as the country?
Kuwait.
Correct. Which mountain is considered to be the abode of the Greek gods?
Mount Olympus.
Correct. Who was the first and last Indian Governor General of India?
Sri Rajgopalachari.
Correct. What were the Commonwealth Games formerly called as?
Games of Union.
It's wrong. It's not Games of Union. Okay. Minimum number of members that must be present. Quorum. Audience. Name. Quorum. Ailurophobia or felinophobia, fear of cats. Which is the only capital city in Arabia to be named after the country is Kuwait, which they answered correctly. Which mountain is considered to be the abode of Greek gods is Mount Olympus, that they got correct. Sri Rajagopalachari was also correct. Commonwealth Games were formerly known as the British Empire Games, correct. So they did not get it correct, but they got 1, 2, 3 correct, 15. Okay. Team F. Your time starts now. Room number 13 in the Indian Parliament is office to whom? Pardon me?
Opposition leader.
Wrong. Acrophobia is the fear of?
Heights.
Correct. Highest capital in the world is?
La Paz.
Correct. First Tirthankara of Jainism is?
Pass.
Who became the acting president of India twice?
VV Giri.
Is wrong. Which village usually forms the first base camp of the Everest expeditions? Okay. Room number 13 of the Indian Parliament is the office to which person? It's the President, Pranab Mukherjee's office in the Parliament. What is acrophobia the fear of? Heights, which they answered correctly. Highest capital in the world is La Paz, Bolivia. That they answered correctly. First Tirthankara is Rishabha Deva. You did not answer that. Who became the acting president of India twice? Justice M. Hidayatullah, acting president, not the president. Which village usually forms the base camp of the Everest expeditions? It's Namchi Bazaar. Okay, so we come to the end of the quiz. Let's hear it from the scorers. Thanks to all the organizers, scorers for all their efforts. Okay. Team F, you are from Cochin, Calicut. Team F from Calicut have got 165 points. Well done, Team F. Wonderful quizzing. Team D from Pune, you have got 210 points. Great coming up to this point and doing well. Then it's Team A from Cochin. You have got 242.5 points. A good round of applause to them. They played really well. At one time, they were neck and neck with the winners or the runners-up. Then it's Team E from Nagpur. You have got 280 points. Well done for coming up to this level and doing well. The runners-up missed out by 5 points. Hard luck this time, but I know they are really good quizzers. I have seen them in various levels. It's Team B. Team C from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Congratulations, you have done really well. 5 points is nothing, you know. Yeah. And Team B, you are the winners of the 30th Nationals Inter-University Youth Festival from University of Mumbai. With 320 points, the winners of the quiz. So congratulations to all and thanks a lot to the audience for their cooperation.